lot of weight. It's got 215 pounds.
Yeah, okay.
So let's see what makes a difference. Then we got new slicks.
New slicks?
And open header.
What do you got? Oh, open headers, new slicks.
Yeah.
You got Mickey Thompson's?
Yeah.
Okay.
Always Mickey Thompson's.
Always, eh? Always.
Yeah, Mickey Thompson. These are the old babies.
Yeah.
Pretty much had. I don't think they would have made it through today.
Oh, okay. What do you got? What are you running anyway? Whipple?
Yeah, Whipple. Got a Whipple in there.
You got a Whipple in there?
With killer.
Oh, killer. Okay.
Yeah, the only thing it's not done is the bottom end of the engine.
Yeah, okay. What else you got done to it? Rear end?
Rear end, tranny, upper.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The tranny too.
Oh, yeah.
Built motor or stock?
It's a stock bait and stock.
Oh. Hello, sir. Can I see proof, please? Can I see proof?
There you go.
Let's see. Official?
It's official proof.
This is official proof?
Official proof.
Okay.
There you go.
This is not AI generated. This is witnessed. That's phenomenal. Good job. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That was cool, man.
Yeah.
Everyone's breaking records here today.
No, 100%. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Gold today?
8.9.
8.9? My man, that's phenomenal actually. It's great.
We'll see. We got a lot of weight. It's got 215 pounds.
Yeah, okay.
So let's see what makes a difference. Then we got new slicks.
New slicks?
And open header.
What do you got? Oh, open headers, new slicks.
Yeah.
You got Mickey Thompson's?
Yeah.
Okay.
Always Mickey Thompson's.
Always, eh? Always.
Yeah, Mickey Thompson. These are the old babies.
Yeah.
Pretty much had. I don't think they would have made it through today.
Oh, okay. What do you got? What are you running anyway? Whipple?
Yeah, Whipple. Got a Whipple in there.
You got a Whipple in there?
With killer.
Oh, killer. Okay.
Yeah, the only thing it's not done is the bottom end of the engine.
Yeah, okay. What else you got done to it? Rear end?
Rear end, tranny, upper.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The tranny too.
Oh, yeah.
Built motor or stock?
It's a stock bait, stock lowercase.
Yeah.
Everything else is race.
Oh, okay.
Right now, our best time last time with the bad slicks was 9.4.
9.4? Okay.
Not too bad for a Hellcat.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
Street legal Hellcat.
Yeah. And is that pump gas?
No, it's ethanol.
Ethanol?
It's running pump gas right now just to get it out.
Yeah.
And then we'll throw the ethanol in.
Okay.
So,
all right.
hopefully we keep the ethanol warm. It doesn't like to start when it's cold, the ethanol in.
Well, I think this is the best time. It's nice and cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice for the track, but you just got to watch your mid track because you get that chilled air.
Yeah.
And it's going to cool it down, right?
Okay. right, good luck, bro.
Yeah, thank you, man.
That's the only reason you even organized all that. No, that's good. That's awesome. And I'm
Yeah.
I said 8.9.
Good job, buddy.
Amazing.
Phenomenal, man.
So when you were filming, did
Yeah,
you
I got
get
it. I got everything.
wheels come off the ground?
Yeah, everything.
Beautiful.
The
Just
whole
gonna
thing.
want those pictures.
Yes, sir. Yeah, for sure.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
I called it 8 seconds. He did it.
There you go.
Everyone's breaking records here today.
No, 100%. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. You gonna do a couple more runs?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna do a couple.
Yeah. And then we got a long drive back home.
Yeah. Yeah. But hey,
It's worth
mission
it, man.
accomplished.
Look at this. It's amazing. It's a nice track, too.
Yeah, yeah,
It's a great facility.
Yeah. And Montreal's just right there.
And Montreal's just right
You
there,
know what I'm
30
saying?
minutes away.